morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have completed our chapter reading. So today we start our chapter exercise. Okay, take out your book, page number 64. Open your book, page number 64. First do this exercise in your book, okay? Question. Tick right the correct option. First one, this is not a main mineral of granite. Okay. Option A, quartz. Option B, calcite. Option C, mica. Option D, feldspar. This is not a main mineral of granite. So which is the correct answer? Calcite. Calcite is not a main mineral of a granite. So option B is correct. Do it in your book. आपको ये एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ बुक में करना है. ओके, दिस इज नॉट अ मेन मिनरल ऑफ ग्रेनाइट. ऑप्शन ए क्वार्ट्ज, बी कैल्साइट, सी माइका, डी फेल्डस्पार. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट वन. कैल्साइट इज नॉट अ मेन मिनरल ऑफ ग्रेनाइट. ओके, देन सेकंड वन. This is formed from trees and other plants which died millions of years ago. Okay, read second one. This is formed from trees and other plant which died millions of years ago. Option A, sandstone. Option B, coal. Option C, granite. Option D, slate. Okay, this is from trees and other plants which died millions of years ago. Option A, sandstone, B, coal, C, granite, and D, slate. So coal is formed from trees and other plants which died millions of years ago. So option B is correct one. Coal is formed from trees and other plants which died millions of years ago. Okay? बेटा आपको ये एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ बुक में करना है. Third one. Which of these is an igneous rock? Okay, which of these is an igneous rock? Option A, granite. B, pumice. Option C, obsidian. Option D, all of these. As we have already read this chapter, granite, pumice, obsidian, all of these are igneous rock. So which of these is an igneous rocks? Granite, pumice, obsidian. So our answer is all of these. All of these means granite, pumice and obsidian are igneous rock. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Do it. Which of these is an igneous rock? Granite, pumice, obsidian and all of this. So option D is the correct answer. Then fourth one. Which of these is a sedimentary rock? What is our question? Question number 4. Which of these is a sedimentary rock? Option A, basalt. Option B, sandstone. Option C, slate. Option D, pyrite. So our answer is option B, sandstone is a sedimentary rock. Okay, sandstone is a sedimentary rock. Which of these is a sedimentary rock? Basalt, sandstone, slate or pyrite? So option B, sandstone is a sedimentary rock. बेटा आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ बुक में करना है, नो नीड टू राइट exercise in your notebook. Okay, then fifth one, which of these is an ore of iron? Okay, what is our next question? Which of these is an ore of iron? Option A, hematite. Option B, bauxite. Option C, gneiss. Option D, calamine. Okay. So which of these is an ore of iron? So hematite is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Hematite is an ore of iron. Okay. Do it. Fifth one, which of these is an ore of iron? Hematite, bauxite, gneiss and calamine. So answer is hematite. Option A is an answer. Hematite is an ore of iron. Then sixth, coal is used as a fuel for. Coal is used as a fuel for. Option A is cooking, then option B, heating homes, option C, producing electricity, option D, all of this. So which is the correct answer? All of these. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, heating homes, producing electricity. So our answer is all of this. Coal is used as a fuel for all of this. Means coal is also used for cooking, it is also used for heating homes, it is also used for producing electricity. So the answer is option D, all of these. Okay. I hope everyone has completed. Take the correct option in their book. Now move on to next question given in your book. Question 2. Write true, T for true, for true, and F for false. Statement. Okay. So first one is, read. First one is, the earth is made up of water. The earth is made up of water. The earth is made up of water? No, the earth is made up of rocks. So it is false. Write correct spelling of false. Second one, obsidian is a lava rock. Obsidian is a lava rock. Yes, obsidian is a lava rock. So it is true. Third, the magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. Yes, the magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. So it is the correct statement. So answer is true. Okay. Then fourth one, the red fourth one is, coal is of the most valuable mineral stored in human houses. The answer is true. Okay. Okay. So coal is one of the most valuable minerals stored in human houses. It is true. Fifth one, the Radford, and write first letter capital. पहला अक्षर हमेशा बड़ा लिखना है आपको. The Radford in Delhi is made up of marble. It is false. It is made up of red sandstone. So it is false. Okay. Read once again. Write T for true and F for false statement. So first one, the earth is made up of water. No, the earth is made up of rocks. आपको मालूम है हमें ये जो अर्थ है वो कैसे बनी है? रॉक से बनी है. So it is a false statement. Second, obsidian is a lava rock. Yes, it is true. Third, the magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. The third one is also true. Fourth, coal is one of the most valuable mineral stored in human houses. It is also true. Last fifth one, the Red Fort in Delhi is made up of marble. You know the Red Fort in Delhi is made up of red sandstone. So it is wrong. It is not made up of marble. It is made up of red sandstone. So it is false. Okay? Do it. The next question is, fill in the blanks. Next question is, fill in the blanks. So first one, a mineral is a natural non-living substance. Okay, a mineral is a natural non-living substance, right? Correct spelling of non-living, NONLIVING. A mineral is a natural non-living substance. Okay. Second, pumice is used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body. Okay, pumice is used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body. Third, the Radford is made up of red sandstone. Okay, the Radford is made up of red sandstone. Fourth one, dash and dash are valuable sources of energy that are found under the earth. So, coal and petroleum are valuable sources of energy that are found under the earth. Okay. So fourth one is coal and petroleum. C-O-A-L, coal, petroleum, P-E-T-R-O-L-E-U-M, petroleum are valuable sources of energy that are formed under the earth. Fifth one, sedimentary rocks are formed from sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. What is the spelling of sediment? S-E-D-I-M-E-N-T-S, sediments. Okay. Write down, fill in the blanks in your book. First one, question third is fill in the blanks. First one is a mineral is a natural non-living substance. Write correct spelling of non-living. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living substance. Second, pumice is used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body. P-U-M-I-C-E. Okay. Third one, the red fort is made up of red sandstone. Fourth, coal and petroleum are valuable sources of energy that are found under the earth. Fifth, sedimentary rocks are formed from sediment. Write correct spelling. Completed. Okay student, today we have completed book exercise. हमने आज बुक में टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, ट्रू फॉल्स और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करें। आपको ये एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ बुक में करना है अभी, ठीक है। नो नीड टू राइट एनीथिंग इन योर नोटबुक। आपको अभी कोई भी चीज़ कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है। जब मैं आपको पीडीएफ सेंड करूँगी तभी आपको वो चीज़ लिखना है, ठीक है। नो नीड टू राइट एनीथिंग जस्ट नाउ इन योर नोटबुक। आपको अभी कुछ भी अपनी नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है। यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज इन योर बुक ओनली। आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अभी सिर्फ बुक में ही करना है, ओके। ओके बेटा, लिसन वन अगेन। अभी हमारा हाफ ईयरली का कोर्स पूरा फिनिश हो चुका है, ओके। अब आपको न्यू कॉपी बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपकी कॉपी में अगर सफिशिएंट जगह है तो आप सिर्फ एक पेज फोल्ड करके उसी कॉपी में कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, और जिसकी भी अगर कॉपी फिनिश हो गई है तो वो पतली सी एक नई कॉपी बना सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर जिसके पास कॉपी बची है तो आप उसी में एक पेज फोल्ड करके हम हमारा आगे का सिलेबस स्टार्ट करेंगे, ओके। बट टुडे यू हैव टू लर्न चैप्टर 7, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, true false and fill in the blanks from the book only, okay. I hope everyone has completed in their book this exercise. So today work is you have to learn this exercise. आज का काम है आपको ये बुक में से एक्सरसाइज चैप्टर 7 की लर्न करना है, ओके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, गुड बाय।